If you're looking for a modern, premium looking badge that's lightweight, durable, and incredibly detailed, UV TPU badges are one of the most exciting badge options available today. Unlike traditional embroidered badges, UV TPU badges are made using high-definition UV printing on flexible TPU material. This creates incredibly sharp details, vibrant colors, and a smooth premium finish. They're waterproof, lightweight, flexible, and perfect for sportswear, uniform, workwear, fashion, and promotional clothing. They give garments a clean, modern look without adding bulk. Before applying your badge, always pre-press the garment for about 5 to 10 seconds depending on the thickness of your garment. This removes any moisture trapped inside the fabric and creates the ideal surface for the adhesive to bond properly. Next, prepare everything you need. Position the badge exactly where you want it and use heat-resistant transfer tape to keep it securely in place so nothing moves during pressing. Because this UV TPU badge is so lightweight and flexible, it can be pressed directly from the top. Place a small silicone pad underneath the pressing area for even pressure, then cover the badge with a protective sheet before heat pressing. Next comes one of the most important parts. Don't try to lift the badge or test the adhesive while it's still hot. Allow it to cool completely so the adhesive has time to fully cure. Your UV TPU badge is now securely attached and ready to wear. For premium custom UV TPU badges, visit embroiderybadge.uk today.